Well, hello there, my friend. Today I thought I'll show you a nice trick so you can format your raw data lines into Python structures really quick. So let's take a look here at a list we have of names. We have 5 names here. And normally what I would do to turn this into a Python list is that I would add quotes here and here. And then I would add commas. Oops, let's do it like that. See, it's a bit manual work here. And then I would add my list equals bracket and a bracket here. And now we have our list. And this is fine. It doesn't take that long. But what if you have 50 lines of data, or even 100 or thousands of lines? Well, then you can use RegEx. So let's see what that looks like. If we go back here, like that. So the same input here, we have Tyler, Darren, Seth, and so on, unformatted. Then we can press Ctrl-H to get the find and replace window up. And then we can use this use regular expression here. So now it's deactivated and now it's activated. And then we can write here an expression in order to replace or find what to replace. Right here, what we want to replace. So this is the capture group and this is the expression string that we want to replace the text with. Okay, let's take an example. So we'll write here a caret in order to replace the first sign at our text. You can see that it selects here our first letter. And then we want to write a parenthesis, dot, asterisk, parenthesis, and that will select all our text. And then we want to write a $sign here as well in order to replace the text that is here at the $sign. And then we write our replacement string, and that is double quotes because I use double quotes. And then we write the $1, which selects all the text. And then we write a dollar and a comma. And then we can press here on replace all. And if we press that one, voila, all our lines here turned into the matched text. And we can remove that one. And now we have all our lines selected again. And if you want to use single quotes, you can just replace these double quotes here with single quotes like that. And press again. And now you have that formatted with single quotes. So this is a really nice way to replace your manual typing into a much faster typing. So, hope that helped you and see you next time.